Robot window cleaners are changing the way we clean glass, making it safer, easier, and far more convenient than doing it by hand. With powerful suction, smart navigation, and built-in safety systems, these advanced robots can effortlessly tackle everything from small home windows to large glass panels. In this video, we're diving into the best robot window cleaners you can buy right now. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below.
So, if you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game, let's get started.
Number 5. The Ecovacs WinBot W1 Pro Window Cleaning Robot is a smart and practical gadget designed specifically for those who want clean, streak-free windows without the hassle, effort, or danger of doing it the old way. It has dual-direction cross-auto spray technology, which sprays water evenly across the glass surface, loosening the dirt before wiping, rather than simply wiping the dirt around. It also has WinSlam 3. Zero intelligent path planning, which enables the robot to move systematically back and forth across the surface of the window, with fast clean, deep clean, and spot clean modes, rather than moving randomly across the surface. Safety is a big part of the design as well, and this includes a 2800 PA suction power, edge detection of the frameless windows, a steady climbing system, and an 8-level safety protection system with tether support, which ensures the device's safety as it works on the vertical glass surfaces. Number 4. The MamiBot W120 DP Window Cleaning Robot is designed for smart and efficient window cleaning for those who value safety and convenience without having to face challenges such as ladders, streaks, and hand cleaning. One of its most significant advantages is its two-way self-water spraying system, which includes 4 sprayers for more even distribution of water for cleaning rather than just pushing around dirt and dust. The square body also gives this window cleaning robot an edge, especially around edges and corners, while its intelligent cleaning and multiple cleaning modes enable it to follow a more organized pattern for better cleaning. Additionally, MamiBot provides this robot with precise sensors that detect edges and obstacles, making the robot even safer and avoiding the risk of getting stuck around the edges of the window frames or falling on a glass tabletop that is not framed. The app control feature, the support of multiple languages in voice instructions, the sleek design, and the powerful brushless motor that ensures a safe suction experience are just some of the elements that contribute to the modern and convenient experience this robot provides. The W120-DP is a very useful and convenient window cleaning robot. Number 3. The Hobot 298 Window Cleaning Automatic Robot is a useful tool for people who want clean windows without putting in a lot of work. It is made to make cleaning easier and faster. One thing that makes it special is the way it sprays water. It turns the water into a mist that covers the whole window. This helps get rid of dirt and grime better and leaves streaks and water spots. The Hobot 298 Window Cleaning Automatic Robot also has something called AI Technology S2.1. This means it has 3 ways of cleaning windows automatically. The Hobot 298 Window Cleaning Automatic Robot can clean windows in an orderly way instead of just moving around randomly. The Hobot 298 Window Cleaning Automatic Robot is really good at cleaning windows, so cleaning feels more efficient and consistent. The Hobot 298 is designed for glass of any thickness. It can also work on edgeless windows because of its edge detection sensors. Its strong vacuum adhesion, falling control algorithm, safety rope, and embedded UPS backup power system make users feel safer while using it. The microfiber cleaning cloth and fast cleaning speed, which is 2.4 minutes per square meter, make it practical for everyday home use. The simple operation is another plus. The Hobot 298 is an user-friendly window cleaning robot. It combines navigation, fine mist spraying, and strong safety features. Number 2. The MamiBot W120T AI Window Cleaner is a cool window cleaning robot. It is made for people who want windows without having to put in a lot of work. The MamiBot W120T AI window cleaner is great because it uses intelligence to navigate. This means the MamiBot W120T AI window cleaner can figure out how big the window is and clean it in a way. It does not just move around randomly. This makes cleaning the window more consistent. The MamiBot W120T AI window cleaner works on lots of types of surfaces. It can clean framed windows and frameless windows. The MamiBot W120T AI window cleaner can also clean things like glass doors and mirrors and tiles and glass tables. This makes the MamiBot W120T AI window cleaner very useful. The MamiBot W120T AI window cleaner is also very safe. It has a suction system that keeps it stuck to the window. Number 1. The Ecovacs WinBot W2 Pro Omni portable window cleaning robot is a smart and impressive cleaning device designed for people who want their windows cleaned spotless without the hassle, mess, and risk of cleaning their glass surfaces by hand. What makes this device stand out immediately is the portable Omni Station, which is designed as an all-in-one control station, power supply, cable management, and storage station, making the entire device more convenient and less awkward than most other window cleaning robots out in the market today. The device is designed with WinSlam 4.0 intelligent path planning and the first ever edge cleaning mode in the industry. The cleaning performance is further enhanced by its wide-angle 3-nozzle spray system, which ensures that water droplets are properly atomized across the glass before wiping, thus helping to loosen grime and streaks instead of just spreading dust around.
That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, so thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and connect with us for the latest technology and review. We receive motivation of your feedback. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment. Thank you.